Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will request you to like and subscribe my channel friends. Today I am introducing you a new earning website, eselunga where you can make more and more profit. Link of the website you can find in the description of the video, and I will tell you how to register in this website. Enter your email address here, then you will enter your login password, then you will post your security password, write your telegram here, and then you will click here to register now, and you will be registered in this website. I have already been registered in this website, so I will meet you after my login. So friends, I have logged in the website. Here you can see no time limit for withdrawals. You can withdraw within 24 hours. Here in VIPs you will invest 6 USDT in VIP 1 and you will get 1 USDT daily, 100 USDT given by the company. In VIP 2 you will deposit 60 USDT daily, income is 14 USDT. In VIP 3 you will deposit 160 USDT daily, profit is 36 USDT. In VIP 4 you will invest 566 USDT and you will get 136 USDT daily, and it is up to 30 days. VIP 5 you will invest 1666 USDT, you will get 366 USDT daily. In VIP 6 you will deposit 3700 USDT, you will get 850 USDT daily. In VIP 7 you will invest 6700 USDT and you will get 1800 USDT daily. In VIP 8 you will deposit 16,000 USDT and you will get 5000 USDT. And VIP 9 you will deposit 36,000 and you will get 11,000 USDT daily, and within 3 days you can withdraw your principal amount. Here you can also get team rebates. For A level you can get 8%, for B level you can get 2%, and for C level you can get 1%. You can also get the 24 hours rebates. If your recharge is 300 you will get 8 USDT. If your team will recharge 2000 you will get 60 USDT. If they will recharge 8000 you will get 250 USDT. If they will recharge 50,000 you will get 2000 USDT immediately. So friends, you can see that I have entered in the website. This is face of the page. Here you can see the business all of the website, and here you can see the commission notification which are people receiving on daily basis from this website. This is the main source of your income. Share your link and referral code through WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram groups, where you think that you can manage a good team. You can get more and more profit from this website. Here are the levels. VIPs, I have already told you about that. You can choose the VIP as per your investment, and you have to complete one daily task. If you will not complete task you cannot get anything from the website. Here is my account. Here you can see account details. I can check here, modify. If you want to change your login and security password, you can click here and you can change. Here you can check the records of investment and finance record, you can check here. So now I will tell you how to deposit in your account. Come at home page, then you will click at deposit. You can deposit through QR code or you can copy the address. I will copy the address from here. Then I will go to my wallet. So friends, in wallet I will come at send USD TRC20 page. Then I will paste the address which I have copied from the website. Then I will enter the amount. I have to deposit 6 USDT. So I will write 6 USDT. Then I will press here to continue and confirm payment from my wallet. After confirming payment from my wallet, I will again come at website and will click here to recharge complete, and my account will be recharged. So friends, you can see that as I recharge my account, you can see that my account has been upgraded up to 100 USDT. Then I will go to VIP 1 and I will complete my task. So keep remember that you have to complete your task on daily basis. If you will not complete, so I will complete my task, go to finish. It's loading now and it will be completed. So completed successfully. So now we can go for a withdrawal and we can check how much I have earned from this website. So friends, now we will go at withdrawal, and we can see that 1.2 USDT has been added into my account. Then I will write the amount 1.2 USDT. Then I will go to my wallet. In wallet I will come at receive USD TRC20 page and I will copy the address of wallet. Then I will go to website. At website I will come at this page and I will paste my wallet address. Then I will post my transaction password and I will click here at confirm. So withdrawal will be succeeded in a few time. So friends, you can see the notification $1.2 have been added into my wallet. You can also check the timings of wallet time and my cell phone time. So guys, you saw that within 5 to 7 minutes I have earned 1.2 USDT from this website. I have done nothing. I just sitting at my home and just completed one task. You can also get this money and more than this. Just join my team, join eselunga.shop.com, where you can change your life with heavy earnings. So share your link and referral code through WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Invite your friends and family members. Make a strong team. As much your team will be strong, you can get more and more benefits from this website. I hope that you will like my video. We will meet in next earning video. Till then, stay blessed and stay happy.